Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the today's video, we are going to discuss about the option paragraph. In page layout, we have a one option paragraph. So in this video, we will discuss that how we can use this paragraph option, how we can use indent in paragraph, and how we can make our document elegant and interactive. Okay, so let me firstly create the data in the document. So for creating the data in document, I am using random function. Okay, so rand give the two parameters in this function. The first parameter will create number of paragraphs for you. So I want 3 paragraphs, and in each paragraph I want 5 lines. Okay, then press enter. So this random function has created 3 paragraphs for me, and in each So the random function has created 3 paragraphs for me, and in each paragraph there are 5 lines. So now we will see that how we can make this document more beautiful by using this option indent. Okay, so firstly let me select this paragraph. Now I am increasing the right intent value. Okay, I am increasing the right intent value. So you can see that as I am increasing the right intent value, my paragraph is coming on the left hand side and a lot of space is created at the right hand side. Okay, right intent means if you give more right intent, it will create space for you at the right hand side. Okay, so now what is the right intent here? 4.5. So this space at the right hand side is 4.5 centimeter. So I want to create more space at the right hand side of this paragraph. So what I will do? I will be increasing the right intent value. So you can see that as I am increasing the right intent value, my paragraph is coming on the left hand side and there is a space vacant at the right hand side. How much space is present at the right hand side? 6.7 centimeter. Okay. Now let me increase the right intent value more. Okay, so I want 7.7 centimeter space at the right hand side of this paragraph. Similarly, we can do this for second paragraph. In the second paragraph, what I want to do, I want to create space at the left hand side of the paragraph, and I want to align the text of this paragraph to the right hand side. Okay, so if I want to keep this content of the paragraph at right hand side and I want to create space at the left hand side of the paragraph, I will be using left intent. You can see here, as I am increasing the value, my paragraph is moving toward the right hand side and more space is vacant at the left hand side of the paragraph. Okay, so let me set left intent value 7 centimeter. Now you can see that at the left hand side of this paragraph 7 centimeter space is present. Okay, I can utilize this space to keep pictures here, and I can make my document more interactive. So this paragraph I want to keep this third paragraph same as the first paragraph. Okay, what I did in the first paragraph, as I'm clicking on this paragraph, you can see that the right intent value is 7.7 centimeter. Okay, so similarly for this paragraph I want to keep right value here 7.7 centimeter. Now you can see that my paragraph has been aligned toward the left hand side of the page and space is present at the right hand side. How much space is present at the right hand side? 7.7 centimeter. Okay, so now let's move further and we will see that how we can make this page more beautiful and elegant by using pictures in this document. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, this space is vacant here, so I want to set one picture here. Okay, so to insert the picture, go to insert tab here, go to shapes and you can select any shape here, but let me choose firstly rectangle shape. Okay, I am creating the rectangle shape here. If I want to adjust picture in this shape, how can I do that? As I am clicking on this shape, you can see that as I am clicking on this shape, this new tab, format tab, is appeared now. Okay, as I deselect this shape, no format tab is present, but as I am clicking on this shape, the format tab is present. Okay, this format tab is basically for doing the formatting of the shape. Okay, with the help of this tab we can do formatting on the shape. So right now I want to insert picture in this shape. So for inserting the picture, what can I do? Go to shape fill option, click on it and go to picture. Okay, so let me use this picture. Double click on it. Now you can see that I have inserted the picture at the right hand side of this paragraph. Okay, and if you want to make this document more beautiful, more interactive, what other things we can do? Let me do some formatting on the paragraphs here. Okay, so what I am doing, I am selecting the paragraph. Okay, and what I am doing, I am giving some color to the paragraph. You can give color to the paragraph according to your choice. Let me choose the color. Let's suppose I want to give this color to the paragraph. Okay, how I came to know that I should go here and choose a color for the paragraph? You can see here this option is basically for the paragraph. Okay, you can see here paragraph, and these all options are basically used for the paragraphs. Okay, and now give me color to these two paragraphs also. Give some another color. If you don't like any color here, you can go to more colors. Okay, here you can select color of your choice. Okay, let's suppose I selected this color for this paragraph. Now let me give color to this third paragraph. Go here and you can give any color, like I'm giving this color to this paragraph. Now let's do some more formatting on these three paragraphs. What else I can do? If I want to give border to this paragraph, how can I do that? Go to the paragraph and there is an option border. Okay, go to borders. What I want to do? I want to give outside borders to my paragraph. So choose here outside border. So you can see that how we converted our simple paragraph to more elegant paragraph. Okay, so now let me do the same thing for other two paragraphs. Select this paragraph and give here outside borders. Okay, similarly do this for third paragraph. Select this paragraph and you can give outside borders here. Now you can see that your page is looking more elegant now. Okay, so let's do some more formatting on these paragraphs. So what can I do more? I can change the font of this paragraph. I can change the font of the content of this paragraph by going here in the font. Go to here. Okay, you can give any font you like. Let me give this font. Okay, I gave this font monotype cursiva. Okay, so now in this font I need to increase the size of my paragraph, right? So what, it is not visible to me right now. The content of this paragraph is not visible to me. So what can I do? Select it and increase its size here. You can increase size from here, okay, or you can go to here, this first A, and click here. The font size is going to be increased. Okay, this way. Even if you want to change the text of this paragraph, just select this text. If you want to change the color of the content, go here and you can choose any color for your text. Okay, so you can choose any color you like for your paragraph. Okay, so I am just going to keep black color because it is looking beautiful in this paragraph. So I am not going to change the color of the content of this paragraph. Okay, so now you can see that our page is looking more beautiful. Now let's do formatting for these two paragraphs. Okay, so select the text of this paragraph. Let's change its font. Now I want to keep its font Times New Roman. Okay, I have changed its font to Times New Roman. Now let me increase its size from 11 to 12. Okay, so I have changed the text size from 11 to 12. Let's do some formatting of the third paragraph. Let me change the font name here. So go to font. You can choose any font you like. You can see as per our requirement we can choose any kind of font, but let me use this Vardhana font here. Okay, so you can see that this way we can make our page more beautiful by doing the formatting on the text of the page. Okay, so now as you can see that as I changed my font size, so now you can see that as I changed my font to Vardhana, my some text of this paragraph has come on the second page. Okay, I just don't want to keep the second page in my document. So what can I do now? If I want to switch this content to the first page, okay, I can increase the margin here. Okay, I am going to increase the margin here. Okay, let me firstly do undo control with Z. Okay, now what I did, I just increased the margin here. Okay, till now we have this much space vacant. Okay, as I'm going to increase the margin from the bottom, so now this much space will be left only at the bottom of the page. Okay, so if I decrease, you can see it is coming on the next page, but as I'm increasing, it is coming on the first page because this much space is going to be present. Okay, so this way we can make our page more beautiful with the help of this paragraph indent. Okay, now let's do more things. Now let me insert some picture here. Okay, now let me insert some picture here. Go to insert, go to shape. You can select any shape you like, but let me select this circle shape. Okay, draw that shape here. You can increase the size of this shape as per your requirement. Now what I want to do, I want to insert image in this shape. So go to format tab. Inside the format tab, go to shape fill. Okay, and now go to picture. You can select any picture here you like. Let me select this one. Now click on insert. So you can see that I have inserted the picture in the circle. Okay, so if you want to change the color of your shape, if you want to change the color of your outlining of the shape, what you can do, go to the shape outline in the format tab and you can choose any color. Okay, let me choose this color. And what else I can do, I can also increase the width of the shape outline. You can see. Okay, so this way we can change the color of the outline of the shape, and also we can increase the width of the border. Okay, so let's do one more thing. Let me now again insert one more shape. Go to shapes in the insert tab. Go to shapes. Let me select some another shape. So let's suppose I want to use this shape here. Okay, I have used now this shape. How I can insert picture in this shape? Go to format, go to shape fill, go to picture, and you can select any picture you like and then click on insert. Okay, so this way we can set the picture inside the shape. If you don't want to keep the shape outline, what you can do, you can go to shape outline and you can select here no outline. Okay, so now my outline has been deleted. Okay, my outline has been deleted. Okay, so this way we can make our page elegant and beautiful by doing some formatting on the text and by adding some images in the text. Okay, even if you want to change the shape, okay, this shape is rectangle. If you don't like this shape and you want to change the shape, so what you can do, in the format, go to change shape and you can select some another shape. Okay, I am using now rounded rectangle. Click on it. So now you can see that the shape has been changed. So this way we can make our pages beautiful with the help of pictures and by giving formatting on the text of the paragraphs. Okay, so this kind of layout you might have seen in your books, in the magazines. Okay, this kind of layout you can see in the magazines also and books. So even if you want to make greeting cards with the help of Microsoft Word, we can also make that. Okay, so what can be the other application for this? So what can be the more application of this paragraph indent. So right now you can see that I have just added random pictures here. Okay, I have just added random pictures just to show you that how we can add pictures in the document. Okay, so let's suppose if you are in a college and you have some photos and you want to set the memory for the each photo, what you can do, you insert here one picture of your college and at the left hand side you can write the memory associated with that picture. Okay, similarly what you can do, just add second picture here and add memory related to picture at the right hand side. So this can be a good application if we want to keep the memories of the college. Okay, and now what can be the other application for the paragraph indent? Let me tell you another application of the paragraph indent. But for that I am going to delete these shapes from the document. I am now going to delete all the images present in my document. Just click on the shape, then press right click and cut. Okay, how I am deleting these shapes, just right click on the shape and press cut. Press right hand side of the mouse and click on cut. Now let me give you one more beautiful application of this paragraph indent. I can also make notes by using this paragraph indent. How I can make notes? Let's suppose this is my first paragraph. Okay, I am making notes for my computer subject and this is my first paragraph. I have typed the notes in the form of paragraphs. Okay, so what I can do, I can make summary of this document at the right hand side of the paragraph. So what I am trying to say, we can make notes of this paragraph or we can make summary of this paragraph at the in front of the paragraph. Let's suppose tomorrow is your exam and you don't want to read each and every paragraph of your document. Okay, you don't want to read each and every word of your paragraph, you just need the summary of the document. Okay, what we can do, in front of each paragraph we can make summary for that paragraph. Let me tell you what I am trying to say. Go to insert, go to shapes, go to text box. I have selected one text box. Okay, I have selected one text box. So what I am going to do, I don't want to read this complete paragraph of my document. I just want to summarize this paragraph here. So let's suppose this first paragraph tells me that what is computer. So I will write here what is computer. Okay, and computer is an electronic device. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just creating summary of this paragraph here. I don't want to read each and every line of the paragraph. I am just writing summary here, so that by looking at the summary I can get the basic overview that what this paragraph is actually talking. Okay, so now let me give color to this text box. To give the color to this text box, go to the format tab, then click on shape fill and then you can select any color you like. Okay, and if I want to bold this data, I can go to home and I can bold it. Okay, if I want to change its font, I can also do that. Okay, and not just only the text, if you want to add any image in your text box so that you can get more idea. Okay, you can get more idea about the paragraphs. Sometimes what we don't like to study from the text data, we like studying from the images or pictures. So for the reference I can also add the picture here. Okay, so let me tell you how we can insert picture here. Go to insert, click on picture, and let me select this picture here and insert the picture. So you can see that I have inserted the picture here. Okay, why I am doing this? Because I don't want to spend my time reading the complete paragraph. By just looking at the summary I can understand that what this paragraph is actually about. Okay, so if I feel that this paragraph is important, I will go to the details, otherwise I will just read the summary of this paragraph. Similarly, I just don't want to read the second paragraph, I just want to read the summary. For that, what can I do? Go to insert, draw one text box, okay, give color to this text box. I am just now in a format tab and give it color. Let's suppose I want to give it this color. Okay, and this second paragraph is talking about the input devices. So I will be writing here input devices. Okay, so I will get the basic idea that this paragraph is talking about the input devices. You can add more data, like it is talking about keyboard, it is talking about mouse, microphone, because all these are input devices. Okay, but not only this, you can also insert pictures related to the input devices. Okay, how I can do that? Go to insert, go to picture, and this is input. Okay, so you can see that we have added input devices pictures. So I'm just giving you the basic idea that if you don't want to read each and every line of the paragraph, you can make notes in front of that paragraph, and if you are in a hurry and you want to read the complete document, you can use the summary. Okay, by using the summary you can get the basic idea of the complete document. If I want to do formatting here, I can change its size, or I can make it bold. I can also change the font. Let me change font to Times New Roman. Okay, so this way we can use this option, this page indent, this paragraph indent option in a better way. Now we have only one paragraph left, so I can also do the same thing here. Now let me insert the text box. Okay, now this third paragraph is talking about the output devices. So I am going here, output devices. Okay, let's suppose we have monitor, we have printer mentioned in this paragraph, so I can write here. And if I want to insert image, go to insert, go to picture, and this image we can use. Okay, so this will give us the basic idea that how we can make use of the paragraph indent. Okay, so I just gave you basic idea that how this paragraph indent can be helpful for us if we want to make some summary of the notes. Okay, I don't need to read now the complete paragraph, I just have the summary here. If we want to read the document very quickly, we will be just focusing on reading the summary. Just with the help of summary we will be getting the basic idea of the complete document. Okay, if what else you can do, Okay, in this I just told you we have made the summary and we have kept that summary in front of that paragraph like this. For this paragraph I have kept summary here. If you don't want to use summary like this, like for each and every paragraph, okay, what else you can do? You can create one text box. You can create one text box here, give it some color, and what you can do, you can make summary of your first page also. Right now what we did, we created summary for each and every paragraph of the document, but I don't want to do that. If I want to create summary page wise, like at the end of every page we will be writing the basic summary of the complete page. Okay, let me tell you what I am trying to say. Let me copy the data here. So what I have done, if I want to read the complete document, I just will be focusing on the bottom of the page. This text box you can see here is giving me summary of the complete page. So if we have 10 pages, at the bottom of each and every 10 page we will be having summary. So by using this summary we can get basic idea of the complete document. We can go for paragraph. Okay, we can create summary for each and every paragraph of the document, or you can go for this way, create one summary for each page of the document. So I hope that this video is clear to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.